I'm back. I'm Bill O'Day, Freeholder Bill O'Day, District 2, Hudson County. This is the Bill O'Day Show. My last segment, I'm going to be local. I'm going to talk about District 2, totally District 2 issues. Many of them are city, some of them touch over into the county, but they're all important to my constituents. Just a note, and I had said that in the last show, was sworn in this past Monday. You'll probably see this a few weeks later. It was the first Monday in January. This will be my sixth term, 17 years on the board. As I joked around, I had no gray hairs when I started. As you can see, I don't know. I'm not good at looking to color it, so I'll let the gray hairs grow in naturally. But as I start that term, I work very closely with Mayor Fulop, with the council president, Rolando Olivaro, council at large, Danny Rivera, Joyce Waterman, and especially the council people throughout my district. My home district is the West Side Ward. I got a councilman that goes by one name. You know, we have Prince and Madonna in music. I have Chico. Kamaraj Ramchal is his name, but we all call him Chico. He's been working on some pretty good initiatives that are starting to come to fruition. Boyd McGuinness Park, which is located on JFK Boulevard and Duncan Avenue, is well under construction. He's been having periodic community meetings, keeping the community posted. I would expect he'll be having one soon. In January or February, that project is taking shape. I would hope and expect by, keep our fingers crossed, late spring that park will reopen. It's going to have, which it didn't have before, while it's still going to have benches and things for some of the older population. We've got 2 senior buildings alongside and a large senior population area. It's also going to have an area for smaller toddlers, which is something a lot of the individuals that have moved in, have young children, have wanted. So that project is exciting. It's moving forward.